Okay, this looks like 1221 Porter Road in Hammond. Right here. There's some trimming to be done. Right in through here, some brush pickup. This is for the city of Hammond. Howard's Tree Service. Tree removal, or trim. So, I'm going to take it on back here. Looks like that's an easement back there, so we'll step off of that. This is 1223 here. So it's going that way. We're gonna take 1221. GPS brought me right here. So we'll trim all this up here on the fence line right through here, right through there, and not too much here, but there's a fence there too. Okay, so right here. Right there. Just trim this up here, right here. Trim some of this, thin this out. It keeps crime rate down. Take them 2 piles, cut that there, cut that. I'm sure that what's going on here is that it's dropping all those berries all over the place. I'm sure this is the trim here. This could be just the job right here. Trimming the berries and the low-hanging trees. There might be a light up there. We can't get the light. 95 degrees out here today. All right, 1221. Howard's Tree Service out.